Hey, I'm Bennett Smith, member of the U.S. Freestyle Kayaking Team and proud member of the Black Warrior Riverkeeper. I paddle Alabama's Black Warrior River, so keeping it clean is important to me, especially when I'm flipping upside down. Did you know that the Black Warrior River and its tributaries are a major source of drinking water for many cities in Alabama, including Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Bessemer, Coleman, Oneonta, and Jasper? The Black Warrior Riverkeeper protects the waterways where I practice and compete. I'm a warrior. Are you?